Let's check out this 47-in-1 piece screwdriver set. By the way, if you are looking to get it, in the description I'll include a special discount link so you can use it to get it for the cheapest price possible. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and actually paid a bit under $10 for this whole kit, which is absolutely insane. So again, if you want to get it for the cheapest price, simply check out the special discount links in the description that I'll leave you. Also, I'll maybe even manage to get some extra coupons you can combine with this price and bring it down even further. Okay, so let's check out everything we actually get. First, our screwdriver, and this is actually the size of it, so it's actually fairly compact size, as you can see. Then also we get absolutely loads of different accessories for it as well. When it comes to charger cable, it's absolutely tiny, so that is probably, yeah, one of the negatives about it. But yeah, you can use any Type-C to charge this device. So you see on the bottom, you have basically this Type-C port, so you can plug it in any wall charger, maybe even laptop or computer to charge it. So again, very universal device over here. Okay, before I show you all the accessories and what we can actually do with the screwdriver, let's check out basically the screwdriver itself. So you see we have the trigger over here. When it comes to more negatives, we do not have any adjustments for speed, but again, for this price, I'm not actually complaining much, yeah, for those features. So you see also you can engage forward and reverse here with this button. So you see, okay, and also on the top over here we even have a LED light essentially. So you see when you actually squeeze the trigger, the light actually comes up basically, so you can see in, yeah. If you are maybe working in some cupboard. So you see it simply takes a regular shank here. So again, any accessory, so any like normal power tool accessory will actually fit in this tool, which is absolutely awesome. So again, you aren't limited to only these accessories, so you can use pretty much anything on this device over here. When it comes to build quality, for this price, that's actually, yeah, looks actually pretty decent. So we have obviously the internal battery inside here, so the charger port, also we have charge indicator light, and also check this. So on the bottom, on the top, if we press this button, we can actually engage it in this mode essentially. So you can use it like this as well. So yeah, absolutely awesome. So again, simply snap it. Yeah. By the way, these drills actually go under like few different manufacturers, I mean names. They have pretty much the same manufacturers, they just like put on some kind of sticker. So, but again, you don't really have to look what's actually written here. All of them are, I suppose, manufactured probably in the same factory. So when it comes to the torque, so it's not actually the highest end. So it says 3 Newton meters essentially here, which obviously isn't a lot essentially. So mostly this drill and screwdrivers, yeah, is only for very light tasks, I would say. Maybe if you are assembling some furniture, maybe let's say like IKEA furniture, so again you simply need it for very basic tasks where you do not need like high performance machine. This is for that. So again, if you are planning to do some construction work with this one, like use it every day, then kind of forget about it. It doesn't have enough power. So again, more for like light do-it-yourself tasks. So again, putting maybe some furniture. So obviously it beats like doing it manually. So if you are screwdriving somewhere, then also let's check out everything we actually get inside here. We even can actually use this screwdriver to drill as well. So you see, if you simply insert these here, you can also drill with it as well. So yeah, absolutely awesome. Again, you can fit basically, yeah, any drills that actually has this kind of shank essentially here inside. Then also you have various like these long bits. For example, this is probably the Phillips one. Again, like flats. Oh, also we have extension here as well. So for example, if you put it like this inside, so you can extend it basically like this, okay? And this maybe like PH1, PH2 probably this one is. Also we have the snake accessory here as well. So essentially you can put it like this inside here and actually like reach some place that would be pretty much impossible to reach with a normal screwdriver essentially. So you see, you insert simply your bit inside here and then you can go, okay. But also you also have to kind of hold it over here. So you see, otherwise, yeah, obviously basic physics. So again, we kind of have to hold it somewhere here, so it doesn't go all over. But yeah, it actually does the job. So you see, you can even maybe like, put it like that. Or again, so in pretty much any unreachable place. So if you are maybe working in some cupboards. So yeah, this is still actually kind of interesting here. So, and let's check out, what else we have over here. Also, we have loads of different small bits here. So you see, the selection is absolutely, insanely good. So you see, we have these, what are these called? So there's Allen key, but no, that's not Allen key, but I forgot the English name, sorry. Also, basically you see, like flat and Phillips screwdrivers and pulleys as well, and also these torques as well here. So you see, you can like loads of different like sizes essentially. And also we can even use sockets as well. When it comes to more limitations, they go only up to size 10. But again, we really have to consider the power of this unit. So even if you were to try to use larger ones, I do not think it has enough power for larger ones. So to use these sockets, basically in this compartment, we have this tiny adapter here. So we would simply insert it inside, take our socket here and snap it on. So you see, and then we can use sockets as well. So you see, like normal attachment. So you see, you have kind of like tiny ball here that gets pressed in and it snaps and attaches basically to the socket. So when it comes to the size, so let me check, I haven't actually checked. So looks like from 4mm to 10mm sockets. So this is the smallest one and 10mm is the largest one. Obviously, if you get your own sockets, you can even like use like bigger ones, maybe like 30mm. But again, so this again isn't for very heavy duty tasks. So probably that's why they didn't even include larger sockets essentially. So yeah, for the size and what this unit costs, I think it's absolutely awesome. But yeah, if you're wondering if this is good as maybe like way more expensive drills that cost maybe like like $50 or $100, then obviously not. It's actually kind of limited in the power. So it says 4.2 volts essentially here. So again, if you are simply looking to get this one for basic tasks, putting together furniture, maybe drilling drilling like a basic hole basically to where to screw something inside, it probably does the job for basic tasks. But again, so if you're a construction worker, obviously this is not a tool for you, I would say straight away. But for this price, if you are like very basic do-it-yourself user, just need for basic tasks, for literally a bit under $10, that's absolutely insane what we are getting here. Again, if you want to get it for the cheapest price possible, just simply check out the special discount link. So currently it's like $8, also with free shipping, and directly from the manufacturer who makes this tool essentially. So yeah, check out that link if you want to get it for the cheapest price. Again, I will probably maybe even manage to get some extra coupons from AliExpress that you can use to bring the price down even further. Okay, good luck.